You are paying money for each visitor to land on your website. This is what I have been speaking on Google Ads, and in order to take the maximum out of Google Ads, it's very important, very essential to have a perfect website which can give you best UI, best conversion experience. Even if you are not running Google Ads, if you're running Meta Ads, or if you're driving traffic from SEO, local SEO, any other way, including social media, it's very important to have highly converting website without any errors or issues. Otherwise, you are going to eventually waste money when people will see that you have struggling in your payment methods, or if your payment methods are not correctly configured, or if your website has other issues including internal link backlinks issue, slow website speed, and any other issue. You are going to get a hard time to get the sales even with the same marketing efforts you are doing. So it's very important, so which is why I'm here with an amazing WordPress website redesign case study for one of our client, whose name is Kasmare. This is their website, Kasmare US. Before going to the website, they had issues. With the WordPress updates and plugin conflicts. A lot of plugins were not being able to update it due to website issues, and they have plugins issues, and they had issues with their payment gateways, Stripe and PayPal. It was not correctly configured. When the user was trying to do the checkout, it was moving to an unknown page, and we had to ensure all products displayed properly and are mobile friendly. Speed and performance optimization were another thing they tasked us to do. So let's start with the first issue on speed and performance optimization. So I'm going to show you PageSpeed test in front of you to show you what it is now. So I'm going to write the same website, and I'm going to analyze over here for website speed optimization. So you're gonna see what it's coming around. You have to wait a while before they are going to diagnose the performance issues, discover what's your user experience. So guys, what we did for meanwhile, I'm going to tell you what we did for speed and performance optimization. Then I will show you some data as well, and along with the website. For speed and performance, few things were done. Remove unnecessary plugins from the website, connected CDN for images, plus change the web hosting to NVMe storage, NVMe server. We also provide web hosting as well, but you can opt for any other as well. Let's see, it's get loaded. So apart from this, we used Smush and few plugins for page optimization, and website overall performance optimization. So let's after this, let me show you the page speed now. So see, it's 96 performance, which is just amazing performance score, and you see how fast we are. And look around for the desktop results as well, because sometimes people get disappointed with desktop results. So see, we are even faster at desktop. So even the large scale contentful pane was 0.67 seconds. Everything is very fine, very fast. So you see, we have an optimized site over here. So this was done for the speed and optimization performance, and we had to ensure all products were displayed properly. There were a lot of SEO issues as well, so we figured those basic SEO issues as well. Plus we figured their payment gateways and resolved their WordPress and plugins. Now this is an optimized site. Previously they had issues with their plugins over here, the menu button over here. The image was not unique and was taking us a lot of time to get loaded, so we optimized the images. And you may see previously it was showing this. Now we have turned this into a moving like this one, add to cart over here. See, this is what I don't like. So you may see that they are having, it's little too hard to read, which I personally didn't like, but I have to go with the client's opinion. We also had installed this AI chatbot, where you can start a new chat and start a discussion with them, and have a communication with them. Cookies were being also added, plus you may see everything is now working fine. I'm going to show you a few of the things which were being done. So let's move on over here. This is a website redesign project. So you may see I'm just having, this is their categories which needed to be products needed to be synchronized. We added them into their proper spacing. This is another communication where the add to cart was not working, and it's now working fine. If I'm going to show you in front of you that if I now do the add to cart, it's showing over here in the cart case over here. You may see that it is now working fine over here. So this was having previous issues. Another thing was the terms and condition. This was not showing correctly on the mobile. We sorted those as well. So you know, see, everything is now working fine, and there is some video work I'm going to show you which my team did again. So it's a teamwork. So you may see over here that everything was being cross checked. You may see we tried to do the add to cart over here, we tried to do the buy now, we went to the proceed to checkout, billing details, everything. The payment methods were cross checked. The payment methods, billing details, was everything was cross checked to see everything. Your checkout is working well. So you may see that we also check the website for any issues with the address, all fine. You may see we tried to do the credit card, everything was working well. So you see, so I'm just showing you that this was just done for the test transaction, was done to ensure that everything is working fine on the website and there is no procedure. Now this is internal work done by the team where they were doing the header builder, working there. This is a header layout which needs an optimization. So you may see the team did the working on the website. So you will see the logo, the header content, everything was being optimized to make it a perfect logo. So it's very important that your website should have the same fast speed, plus your website should be same on your mobile and desktop. So the website should be same on the mobile and desktop. Website should be same on the mobile and desktop. And you know, even though there were 4 errors, but during the process we went to know other few errors, small mistakes, small things. You know, the client went ahead and we did all of those complimentary, but this made us our project longer. So that is the bad thing about this, but the good thing is that we were able to get it solved, and we had a very, very fast speed with 99 speed, resolved all the errors. There is no checkout issues with Stripe, PayPal, everything is working fine. So yeah, also the on page SEO was being done as well in this. So yeah, in case if you need our help in your WordPress website redesign service, or in case if you need help with landing page, in case if you need help with Google Ads management setup audit service, or in case if you need help with Google business profile, local SEO, or Shopify or Google Merchant Center, we are a full-fledged Google partner company and we would love to help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we will definitely love to work with you. So I hope you like this quick video case study we will discuss regarding the WordPress website redesign of the client. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.